Hi. Today in this video we are going to talk about the bells of the vintage bicycles. You know that the bells are very important to warn people, and there are different kinds of bells for the vintage bicycles. For example, there are one like this. Can you see that? This is one of them. The ring is from outside. That's one of them. The other one is, for example, double drum. Can you see that? At the same time, two drums. On the other hand, there are bells like this. This is fantasy bells. This is a little bit of a new version, but it gives you an idea. This is another classic bell. Can you see that? And another one is these ones, simple ones. These are very simple bells. I don't know. This is working. But these are very simple, and generally speaking, after a while, because inside is plastic, this warms out, and as you can see, I'll show it to you, doesn't work. Another one is, this is a butcher's bike. Horn, I should say. It makes a sound like this. Very interesting. Since old times, there are a lot of bells. And generally speaking, the vintage bicycles, Rally and Raj, have got this. These are very thick, and the sound that comes out is different. Look at that. This is a new version of an old bell. This is an old one. You have to loosen up a little. That's another one. These ones, of course, the mechanisms, after a while, you see, it breaks down and comes out. And you see that? It comes out. You have to do like that, and then you have to oil it all the time. You see, it stucks. That's another one. This is old versions. The old versions have got problems because you have to all the time put some oil to them. You see? Look at that. Because after a while, you see, it works like that. That's another one, for example, another bell. This is simple modern bell, but the mechanism is the same. The mechanisms are almost the same. It didn't change much. Can you see that? It's like that. This hits the drum and it makes a noise. So can I just put it on there? That's another one. Can you see? It makes noise like that. That's another bell. It's horn. Different version of that. And that's another bell, the old bell. You see? Again, got it stuck. You have to, what happens is the mechanism breaks down. You see? You have to do it all the time. With a, can you see that? You have to keep it looked after all the time. They are nice rings. Can I have a look at that? This is another one. Imagine this. Everybody is running out. That's another one. Simple one. That's another one. The old classic. As you can see, these modern ones. This is, for example, a modern one, but this is a good one. Because inside this bell is all metal. And that's why this sound. Can you see that? The mechanism? Simple, but it's all metal. This is a quality bell. This is quality, this one. The sound is nice. Another one is simple like that. These are modern ones, plastics. And can you see that? That's another one. It's like that. This is another one. This is a quality one as well. If you loosen this up a little, the sound that comes out is different. That's another bell. This is another simple one. So, the bells are very important to warn people in the traffic. Without a bell, you shouldn't be going into the traffic because sometimes somebody jumps in front of you. You have to warn them with a bell. So, as you can see, today I've shown you the vintage bicycles bells and the ones that on the old bikes. I hope you like it. There are other different kinds of bells as well, but these are the ones on the vintage bicycles that we have. Thank you very much.